guys, we're here on the Dyno over at my boy Miguel's shop. Gonna go over the mods real quick. So it has a 285 pulley. Well, actually, I'll just put all the mods right here up on the screen. But it's basically like a full bolt-on setup. Nothing too crazy. It's just has everything, to be honest, that for the stock blower. Up with some good numbers. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Successful dyno day. It was pretty good for the weather. The weather being 88, almost 90, and the humidity is like, it's bad right now. It's 88, but it feels like 95 around there, to be honest. And this car has the stock chiller. As you can see right now, the temperature is at 71 with the chiller on. The car made some pretty decent power. Previously we did 963 was the best number we got, and that was on good ethanol. It was on 1R. And we also were in better weather. It wasn't as hot as it is today, but on that run the car was maxing out the injectors, so we were like limited on power. The injectors were 133% on full throttle, so that's really bad. So we went ahead and we switched the injectors to FIC 1650s, and now the duty cycle is around like 50% full throttle, so we have a bunch of leg room with the injectors. So yeah, we ended up with 994 to the wheel, and that's on pump E85. That's not on the ethanol, the good ethanol. That's on pump. So this car is well over 1,000 with some good fuel in it and some better weather. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the car, the numbers, the customer's happy, so I'm happy. Yeah, it was a bit of a wait because of the injectors, but it was worth the wait, to be honest. We don't want to be running a car on injectors that are maxed out, so it's better to have everything running good the first time than having to have the car come back. So that's what we went with. No check engine light, as you can see. No check engine light. Put it in track. You can see 1,000. We have the 1,000 mark right there. And that is not to the crank, that is to the wheels, as you guys can see. I'm gonna just say 1,000, because 994 is like, on a good day you'll hit 1,000, so I don't care. I'm saying 1,000. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video and for this car as of now. We might, the owner might end up doing a Whipple later on, I'm not sure. Most likely he is, to be honest, knowing him. But yeah, excited to see if he does Whipple. If not, then this is a perfect setup, to be honest. it drives like stock. Literally, look at this. Like, can't complain. You have AC, you have everything. You don't have no crazy check engine lights. Like on my car, you have all the check engine lights, and you have 1,000 wheel horsepower at your gas pedal. So that's awesome.